know you love her already, don't you?
Okay, good. Good.
Look how cute she is. Is that your sister?
That's the camera woman. Here's Mommy, looking fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
Grandma. And Grandpa. And Big Brother.
Big brother.
Yeah, you can have plenty of time to play with her.
Look at that tail. Is that your sister? I know, I haven't seen you in a couple days. She's like, what's all this commotion? Oh.
Oh, that's so cute.
Hey, I'm reading some Mommy's papers. Easy, gentle.